welcome back to my channel. It's me, Minna Chocolat. Welcome. If you're a new subscriber, see what I did there? I spoke into existence because I know you're going to subscribe. Welcome. And if you've already been here, you've been subscribed, thanks for coming again. So today I'm back with another mukbang. It's been a while, but I'm back. I decided to get some food from the local chicken and chip shop, but this one's different. Here today we got a half-pound burger. I don't know why my accent goes automatically to American. And we have got cheese, salad. Hold on, wait a minute. Halloumi. And 5 wings and chips. Let's tuck in. Oh, I don't know what to tuck in first. Okay, I'm gonna have a wing first. Oh, and some coleslaw. All right. It's nice. It's not too spicy, although I prefer it when it's spicy. But what can you do? So, lockdown might soon be over. Hello. Madness is happening once again, but we move. Right. What am I planning to do after lockdown? Get my nails down because I'm not even. I took off all my nails. I don't know if you remember, but if you look back onto the KFC mukbang, I put the iCard there, my nails were on fleek. I just freshly got them done as well. Imagine, that was 7 weeks ago. I've been literally calling my nail technician. I've been like, Tashan, please, I'll put my hand through the letterbox. Please do my nails. I'm just doing press-on nails at the moment. I'll put down a link. So I'm going to wait for the order. But if this whole lockdown phase starts, they didn't really mention about hairdressers and nails. I don't understand why. Because it's a necessity. It's a necessity to me. I'll say this to my friend up there. My hair is a necessity. Super Stuff doesn't have everything that I need, so, you know, it's a necessity. Drink outside. Not that I have a problem with drinking at home, but I want to drink with my friends. And the weather, oh my God. The weather recently has been so beautiful. Oops. We'll see what happens. When this video will be out, I think this is when we'll find out what is going to happen, basically. So, I'm so sorry. I'm eating, and I'm just like, spitting everywhere. Right. One more spitting, but talk with my mouth full. Bad table manners. It's time for the burger, isn't it? Yeah. I lost what I was looking for a minute, but I'm looking at you. You can take the first bite. Oh, look at that. Take the first bite. Make sure you get the halloumi up in there as well. Oh, you can see it. Look at that. Is that good? Okay. My turn. Food makes me happy, as we've already established. Oh, to drink, I've got orange Mirinda and water. That was so delicious. I need another bite. Let me bite for you guys. I brought a tear to my eye as well. A half pounder until today. But normally I have a quarter pounder. Again, I think just like, you know, your average cheeseburger. But I thought to myself, why not? Treat yourself, babe. You've been working hard. You've been doing your thing. You've been consistent. Okay. What's it? Oh, this is so worth it. A little bit of ASMR for you. Lovely. Let's get some mayonnaise and ketchup on the chips. What is your favourite? Mayonnaise or ketchup? Let me know in the comments. I'm a huge fan of mayo, but sometimes can't do without some ketchup, do you know what I mean? Oh, do you know what? One thing I'm really looking forward to when the lockdown gets lifted, although I've been looking at the phases and it looks like we won't be having any restaurants until probably my birthday times. And I don't know if I should be happy or not, because I don't know what I want to do for my birthday now that I know that lockdown could be like on its way to like lifting. I don't know. I guess we'll see. Another bite of the burger. Oh man. Oh, it's so delicious. So some people eat their burger. Oh, don't drop now. Some people eat their burgers like this, and some people Some people eat like this, and some people eat like. How do you eat it? Because I feel like I can hear the squeakiness of the halloumi. I really need the Nando's in my life. Like, pronto. I'm gonna have to have it upside down for a bit. Tomato. Sorry. The tomato inside really balances everything out. It's really good. But yeah, I don't lie. I'm excited for lockdown to finish. It's been nice being at home, but I'm ready for my life to commence. But yeah, I hate when this happens, but I don't think I can finish this. I'm gonna try my best. Really, I'm gonna try my best. I haven't opened the coleslaw yet. I love digging the chicken wing or the chicken in the coleslaw. The coleslaw's not nice. I hate when that happens. But it's all good. Because the wings are nice. But you know how some people just like their coleslaw just exact? That one. Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate you watching me eat this food. If you like it, like, share, subscribe. Keep coming back. And you know what the drill is. Peace.